In this video, we're going to learn how to create loops using AI in 3 ways. Step 1 is generating the image. Step 2 is creating the loop. Step 3 is finalize it. Let's go. Step 1 is creating an image. You can use different AIs like Gemini, ChatGPT, or even a real photo that you shoot. It depends on you and your creativity. Right now, as you can see, after many image generations, I finally achieved my final result. So I download it, but the point is we need to remove this watermark of the Gemini. So on the browser, I will search Gemini watermark remover, open this website. This one already has a Chrome extension. If you work with AI a lot, you can also use this one. So I drag and drop my image, easy peasy, in few seconds it generates that one. Right now, I just need to free download it. For this step, I prefer VO of the Google. So let's go. Search Google Flow. This is the website. Okay, easy peasy. You search Google Flow, and you will open it from the Google Labs. That's the website. Okay, as you can see, this plan is free of charge and you have 50 daily Google Flow credits. You can generate 2 good loops with this 50 daily credit that you have. So I press on get started. I don't enable these 2 checkboxes and press on next, then continue. In here I click on new project. That's a new option that added into Flow. You can see the changes. And I press on get start. So in here you need to upload the image that you have. As you can see, it added. I just forgot to tell you this important part. When you are on Flow in image generation part, you can generate unlimited images using Nano Banana 2. In this part, you can choose the aspect ratio, and in this part, you will choose your export numbers. After you see output, you can customize it for yourself. As an example, in this part, you can tell it, okay, I don't want this option, remove it. Okay, I don't want this option, remove it. With this part, you can tell it. This part is the previous Google Whisk. Many people use Google Whisk to generate unlimited images. Right now, it merged with Google Flow. In this box, I need to choose frames, set a start frame, this image, set end frame again, this image, because we want to create a cool loop. In this part, instead of OmniFlash, you need to choose VO 3.1 fast. Right now, if I press on generate, it costs 40 credits for me, okay? Because it generates 2 separate videos for me, okay? 2 different loops. But the point is, I need a single one, okay? After I see the result, maybe I change my prompt and again change another one, okay? I don't use this 2 one, so that's the whole setting you need to know. And right now, in this part, you need to type your prompt. Let me tell you a few notes to create a prompt. At first, tell your idea into an AI, okay? I don't know, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Okay, tell the whole point, the whole idea that you have from that scene, from that loop. After that, ask that AI to give you a JSON prompt. When your JSON prompt is ready, put it in here, and at the end, generate your output. For now, I just want to describe what I want in a normal way, okay? No prompt at all, just a simple type. In here, I just type I want to create a loop, make it natural with a normal physics, okay? I don't know, it generated a cool image for us or not. I tried. This one wasn't good at all, okay? Look at this one. That's not natural. Weird. So I need to make my prompt better. Right now, I'm going to try it with JSON prompt. Again, that's the start, that's the end, and I paste my prompt and boom. That's not a good loop at all, okay, because we have some weird stuffs in here. As you can see, we have this cigarette filter that appears suddenly. This part, we have another hand appears, okay, that's not good. If you want to have a cool loop, you need to try, and after many tries, you will achieve your target one, okay. As you can see, we try 2. This one is shit, this one is better, next one is going to be much better than this one, and with this process, this thing continue. Right now, I left 10 credits, so I press on view 3.1 light to try this one. I believe that this one is not good, okay. VO 3.1 fast is the best one. Okay, with the limit credit that we have, 50 credit per day, we can generate 2 loops with this one. Okay, but that one is stupid. We just use it because we have 10 credits left. Right now, I want to try it with another account that I have. So the first step is recreate that JSON prompt. In here, I type body, give me another prompt that previous one sucks. Okay, I use VO3 fast, this kind of things, and hit enter button. Okay, I use ChatGPT to generate that prompt for me. As you can see, it understands what I want. It gives a simple prompt, and even it gives us a negative prompt. Okay, that's a useful stuff. For now, I use Google Viz to generate other images. I kind of like this one. If I want to add any changes into this image, I can type it in here and generate the output, but I don't. And I want to save this image. Save it on my downloads. In this part, I right click, press on animate. For the end part again, I will need to choose this one. So my first and last frame is same. In this part, video frames, one output. And in this part, I will choose VO 3.1 fast. For the prompt, I just type create a loop for me. It generates something for us. Let's see it together. That's a cool loop. In this part, if you press on download, you will have your output. Easy peasy. Let's try this one. In here, I click, press on animate. For the end frame, again, I choose the same thing. I believe that I did a mistake. This one. Okay. So, cool. Create a loop for me. That's the other loop that I created. This one is not good as the previous one. I love the previous one. So as you can see, after many tries and errors, you will find out the best loop that is available for you. So let's try this one. Because I have 10 credits left, I need to choose VO 3.1 Lite. I told you this version is stupid. I told it because of that. All done. If this video helps you, don't forget to press the like button. And if you want, you can see this video too. On that one, I told you how to use AIs like a pro. If you watch it, you will become a pro AI user. See you there.